In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vertical divider in Elementor. If you're looking to enhance your web page design by adding a clean, minimalistic vertical line between two pieces of content, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps and tips to make this as easy and smooth as possible. First, you'll want to create a section with multiple columns. This is where the power of Elementor really shines, allowing you to customize your layout to fit your needs. Having multiple columns sets the stage for inserting that vertical line, giving you the visual separation you're aiming for. So, go ahead and set up the section that you'll be working with. You might already have your content in place, or you could just be setting up the framework. Either way works. Now, focus on the column where you want the vertical line to appear. Editing this column is where you'll start defining how your line will look and where exactly it will be positioned. Within this column, you'll proceed to the Style tab, and from there, navigate to the Border section. This is where the magic happens. You might have noticed that once you're on the border settings, there's an option to unlink the border widths. This is crucial because it gives you the flexibility to apply a border only to one side of your column, either the left or the right, depending on where you would like your vertical divider. Choose something like a 1-pixel solid border for a subtle yet effective divider. Of course, you can play around with different styles. Dashed or dotted lines might add a bit of flair depending on your design goals. Once you've settled on the style, it's time to choose a color. The color of the divider should complement your overall design, enhancing the aesthetics without being overly distracting. Next, it's all about making sure the divider looks just right in terms of spacing. You might need to adjust the column padding or margins. This ensures that there is adequate space around your divider, preventing it from feeling cramped and allowing it to serve its purpose as a visual guide without interrupting the flow of your page. Last, but certainly not the least, ensure your design looks great on all devices: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Elementor provides you with the tools to tweak settings specifically for each device type. This means you might need to adjust the thickness or length of the border to optimize its appearance, ensuring it fits seamlessly into your design across different screen sizes. And there you have it, a clean, simple vertical divider using Elementor. This is a great way to separate content subtly but effectively, adding an extra layer of style and clarity to your web pages. I hope you found this guide helpful, and that you're excited to implement this technique in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.